Thank you for watching. I need to drink the coffee because rainy here. Too loud rain. That's why. And then even instead of the raining also, maulan din. Maulan, mahangin yung ulan, mahangin. Ang ulan may kasamang hangin. Ang hirap mag-explain, my goodness. Paano kasi puro dito yung guest natin dito. Kaya nag-English na. Kaya kahit pangit yung Carabao English, trying hard tayo mga Lodi. So maulan dito sa amin. Sa Bicol Province, Philippines, maulan. And then mahangin. Maulan na may kasamang hangin. Thank you so much. Hi sa nanonood dyan. Thank you so much sa nanonood. So, sino ka po? Baby, why you just miss me? The maid, ang hirap magano. I never dreamed my love is always that I'm dreaming was for kids. Thank you so much. Hello pa. Mga dito? Lapit na yung Christmas. Wish ko sa Christmas, sana hindi lang blessings ang dumating, sana gumaling yung aking my loving father. So, wish the Christmas. Wala masyadong health is wealth na lang. Healthy yung family member. Maging healthy lang sila. Kami, health is very important in our life, so that's why hindi lang sa material na bagay. Walang magagawa yung kahit ka na gaano pa kadami yung pera pag iba yung hindi ka malusog, hindi ka healthy. Everton Chavez, hi Everton. Image, hi, hey, hello. Thank you for joining. Everton Chavez, hello. Dixa Zil Sigasa, what it means. I don't understand your language, Everton, so maybe you can speak in English, or maybe you translate it in English before you. I think Emerge, maybe I will remember you before you joined the live. You joined here before, so. It's a long time. It's not a very long time, but a month ago. Yeah. How are you, Medj? Hello, Randy Balag. Doangke. Hi, thank you. Salama, thank you for joining. Where are you from? I'm good. Okay, Native. Hi, Native. Not yet. Hindi pa. Kaladkad pa lang. Thank you for asking. Gab! Wada doon ang pitaka, ang bag ko, Gab. Wada dito ang bag ko, tabi. Baby, yada. Yada ang bag ko. Ayat sa dito ang bag ko. Yadi, Gab. Bakal kasi may gulay ako today. Bakal ka sunbis ang. Ano na? Akay girog gaso. Ha? O sige, dali Akay naghibi ka man, di ka man nilalabutan. Thank you for asking. Welcome, always welcome. Thank you for joining, Mitch. Easy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Midge. Maybe you can join the membership here. Thank you. It's me, Jesse. Yeah, Jesse. Hi, Jesse. Maybe you can turn on, join a membership here if you want, but it's okay. Or maybe it's a super chat. Thank you. Hi, Sanju. Hi, Sanju. British. Where are you? I'm from Philippines. Philippines. Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Jerry Tubin. Hi, Jerry Tubin. Hello. Thank you for joining. Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. I am from Sri Lanka. Hello from Sri Lanka. Is Vancouver. Hi. Sweden here. Jerry Tubin from Sweden. Shout out to you guys. Hello, darling. How are you? Hi, Bio Sanjote. Where are you from, Bio? Nano? I'm from Philippines. From Philippines here. Where are you guys? Hi, Golden Presa. You come here oh, very long time. Maybe busy to another channel. You are busy to other room. Thank you, Golden. At least you here. Thank you for joining. How are you, Golden? I like it. You beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Golden, for joining here again. I'm fine. Hi, Jesse. Hi, Jesse. Why still wake up? Maybe I think there is night there. Maybe almost midnight. You still wake up, Robin. Thank you. It's 10:23 p.m. Are you living in US, Sir GZ? You're also living in the US. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. Almost think about bedtime. Okay. Yes. I living in the US. Where are you? Where in Big Lan? Hello, Cheryl. Oh my God, Big Lan. Thank you for joining here again. Thank you, Big Lan. Oh my God, very long time no here. What's up? Chicago, USA. Glad to see you. Good to see you. Thank you, Big Lan. Nice to meet you again, Jesse, from Chicago, USA. Hello po. Hi, Annalyn Maglente. Annalyn. Hello. Hi, Annalyn. Welcome back, Beglan. Oh my God. It was very cold here a couple days ago. Now it warmed up a little bit. Yeah, because winter season there. No. That's why. Oh my God. Cold season. Nasaan anak mo? Nasa kabilang room. Nasa kabilang room yung baby ko. Snow is starting to melt. Yeah, snow is starting to melt. That's great. Kasi, bakali daw ako para, bakali daw ako sin, yung tawag ka doon, bakali daw ako sin, bisang, ay may isuro na ngayon, may karne na isda ngayon. Hay, naluto na ngayon isda? Oo. Sige, ayun na lang kasi, salamat. Ate, napanood na ba yung pinapanood ko? Ang alin? Ano yung pinapanood mo? Super chat, super stickers, and members are available. Everyone tap the sign on the follow. Thank you, Beglan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Beglan. Oh my God, welcome back, Beglan. Super chat, super stickers, and memberships are available. Everyone tap the tower sign on the lower right. Thank you so much. Yung hindi ko alam yan. Hindi ko napanood. Sorry, Annalyn. Hindi ko alam yan. Busy ako. Kaya wala akong time sa ganyan. Pasensya na. Pero kapag may time, busy. Mahirap magano. Walang napakaano ng panahon. Yung kumain pa kayo. Yung kumain pa kami. Nakalimutan ko, pasensya na. Nakalimutan ko, pasensya na. Sorry po. Thank you, Annalyn. Annalyn Maglente, ikaw ba yung ex ni Greg? Ni Greg Davis. Maybe ibang Annalyn yun. Siguro ibang Annalyn yun. Hi, Cheryl. Good afternoon. Nag-lunch ka na. Kain tayo. Wala pa eh. Nagluluto pa ng kanin. Hindi po. Okay. So, ibang Annalyn pala yun. Kasi one time, nag-join si Annalyn dito, ex ni Greg. So, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Akala ko ikaw yun. Sorry po. Hi, Higgs. I hope you're having a wonderful day, Cheryl. Thank you, Higgs. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Hope you subscribe. Hope you hope you subscribe my channel. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you sa nag-like. Salamat. Super chat available na. Lalaki po yun. Lalaki yun. Lalaki yun si Greg. Lalaki si Greg. What are you up to? Well, I'm waiting for lunch. I'm waiting for the rice cook. Hi, Cheryl. You are beautiful. Thank you, Peter Benz. Thank you so much. Hello, Mardog. Guys, wala ka. Johnny Alabata. Obviously, hindi healthy ang mental mindset mo. So, hindi ko wini-welcome yan dito. So, Johnny Alabata, at maybe din doon ka sa ibang channel, wag dito. Bawal dito ang nagkakalat, pasensya na. Dito kasi yung mga healthy yung mga pag-iisip yung lang dito. Bawal dito yung mga kabulastugan, katarangkaduhan. Hindi ko inaalaw yung dito. Pasensya ka na. Warning number 1, Johnny. Pangalan ko po, Kent. po. Thank you, Ken. Lalaki ka. Ang pangalan mo is Kent. Bakit Annalyn Maglinti? Siguro, pangalan niya ng jowa mo. Di na sira? Johnny, may earning ka na. Kaya nga. Bakit kailangan niya bakit, Johnny, bakit kailangan mo mag-comment ng ganyan? So, you think I'm stupid? Kapag inulit mo, mababan ka na. Yes. Thank you, Mardoke. Thank you so much. What restaurant are you at? No, I'm not at a restaurant. I'm at home. I'm waiting for the rice. Still cooking. I'm at home now. I'm at home. Still at home. Badi, sa ano niya, wala signal. Sure, okay lang sa'yo, delete ko message na mga, yes, so, better to delete. Minsan kasi hindi ko ma-delete yung ano, kaya kailangan ko ng moderator. That's why I need a moderator to, help me. Cellphone ng jowa ko po. Cellphone ng jowa mo, kaya. Thank you, Ken. Okay, I thought you were at a restaurant waiting for a rice. I'm at home. Thank you, Higgs. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Kaya din na. Thank you so much po. Excuse me. Why? Excuse me. Oh, Lola. You want to come here? You want to join me here? Please subscribe. Thank you, guys. Please respect our broadcaster. Don't send foul messages. Thank you. Enjoy your shopping. Thank you so much, Mardokia de la Fuente. Thank you so much. Thank you to our friends here for supporting me here. Thank you, guys. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. And maybe I hope to find. Only heaven knows. Go like Thank you so much for the like. Salamat. Maybe a heart to find only heaven. Diri pa man luto. May ano na doon? Luto na ang isda. Ay, luto na. Luto na, luto. Kaya daw ako sa... Gab! Gab! Nana! Kaya daw ako dito. Ayan na, isang isda. Gab, oh, Gab. Kaya daw ako ila sila no, kay busy din na sa'yo kasama. Kaya lang sila dahil. Kaya daw to dito ha. Isda. Ayan isda. Ayan isda. Ayan isda. Ayan ko. Maybe the love will come back someday. Ano yan? Anong ano yan? Noise. Noise ideal facts. Anong ano yan? You need to eat. Bellissima Tisalotta Giovanni. Hi, thank you. Bellissima. Bellissima. Thank you. Let's eat, guys. We need to eat. Oh my God. My gulay. We need to eat, guys. Hello, Alejandro de los Reyes. Hi. Oh my gulay. Thank you, let's eat na. Ano, lente? Lolo mo yon? Ang alin? Yung... Oh yes, andi. Papa ko yun. Papa ko. Papa ko yun. Thank you. Tara, let's eat na. Rice with vegetable. No. Akala mo ko lulong niya na. Papa ko yung papa. Yung nasa hospital, papa ko yun. In a few minutes, I will go on the hospital. Pupunta ulit ako doon ngayon. Kain lang ako.
Amen. Tule. Tutugan pala mo.
Kain tayo. Gabriel, magkaon ka na, Gab! Ay, nako. I-delete ko lugod yun, ha?
Alam na kayo maabot sa diandar.
Sige, tumpa. Pinagdi mo ikad, ito ko manangari doon. Kung ko sinabi. Ano nangyari sabi natin nila na yun? Maungkap.
Thank you for watching. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Ew. Oh. Oh, where's the people?
Ilabas mo naman pa na yan.
Where's the people?
Ano ba? Ha? Sunod-sunod.
Mama, meron na nga. Ay, tutukan mo yan eh.
Wala ba?
Eh. Oh my God, yun ako pala eh. Nag-video ko sabi oh.
Wala. Wala. Raymond, malipot ka. Manala ka na naman.
Thank you for watching. So people here.
Ako wala. Tagalog niyo.
Tagalog daw.
Minsan lumalagpas pag
Tagalog, Tagalog.
nakapasok ako ng kaibigan sa 6
Pero hindi ko naman malikit.
minsan pag alam yung nangyari, ito akong tulad-tulad. Napinig ko ako kasi malapit ako ng tulog pa rin.
Sino tumatao?
Ay, nakaklose naman eh. Close.
Ay, ikaw lang talaga. Wala kang karelyebo.
Tinutuwa lang po open at saka closing.
Hindi wala kayo.
Supporting ko.
Pero yung lugo ko, hindi ko kaya may So, yung lugo nyo, ano yan? Plain lang, may laman.
May tumalya po, tapos may puso.
Atrapan nyo lang to.
May lechones.
Who's watching? Oh my god. Who's watching? One people watching me. Who are you? Hiya. Cause you and I.
Eh, sa amin po, may kasod ka, kaya hindi siya kasal.
Kasi sa kulay dilaw, yung kanilang
Kasod ka.
ano siya, oil o
Parang ano po siyang flower na, ano na, kulay po. Flower na katsuel.
Yes. Pala yun, kaya rin dilaw o pwede ka nakitaan yan para sa sarili lang.
Sa mga pagtutong sila.
Ay, kasi kuya, giving pain.
Ay, mga
Thank you. Bakit nasa na kayo? Busy? What's up? Maligaw ma. Sorry.
Galing ko. Pwede rin magluwasan, nagkukuran. Ikaw.
Who's watching? Look, who's watching? Sino yung nanonood, please?
Ito ulit. Okay, may dala.
Thank you for the likes.
O, alangan! Karang ko na, nagbabangan ko kanito na ano. Sino na dito na bagay sa baba? Huwag bagay sa taas.
Thank you for sending likes. Thank you for hit the like. Ang hirap ng ano sa amin sana ngayong Pasko. Maganda yung panahon. Nandito na si Papay sa bahay. Palabas na sa bahay. Tapos,
Ito, dapat ako ikaw na ulan.
sana. Please, sana nga ganun.
Hello, ba? Payaw.
Pakarin ka.
Mahimod ang mating.
Masarap pinatingin niya sa akin. Ano ginagawa?
Tayo, ikaw, anong dali?
Thank you for watching, for knowing. Thank you. Hit the likes, no, subscribe. Oh, thank you for hit the like, someone who hit the likes. Thanks so much. Thank you for sending the likes. Thank you guys. Stop, drop, man. Cause you and I. Intindihan ang nararamdaman.
Wala, hindi mo na yung ulit yung natin kami natin mo. Ah! Sobrang ganyan. Dapat, kung nakarigos ka ko, no? Natin mo na sa mga ano ilaw. Natin mo ilaw. Bawak ko yung bawak ako na puna.
Thank you. Thank you, wala.
Natagaw na sa ating ilaw. Parang ulitin natin may ilaw.
Oh my God. Kay Johnny, sorry ah. Nag-warning na ako sa'yo. Pinagpatuloy mo pa rin. Akala mo naman, i-entertainin kita. No. Hindi kaya ako nag-entertain ng ganyan. Tinatanggal ko yung mga toxic na nagko-comment sa akin ng mga ganyan. Hindi ka kawalan. Para sa akin, isa kang nothing. Punta dun sa channel na kayang-kaya mo. Kaya-kayang sakyan yung kagaguhan mo, katarantadan mo. Wag dito sa channel ko. Don't me. Marami naman siguro. Siguro dami mo na ako. Dito. Nag-warning na ako sa'yo. Ang kulit mo. Sutil kang bata ka. Nanigas ka dyan. Hindi ka kakawalan, boy. Kahit anong sabihin mo dyan, wala akong pakialam kasi. Hugo, Vera, ite. Hi, Hugo. Sa mga katulad ni Johnny, akala naman niya, hindi mo yan ikinagwapo boy. Hindi mo yan ikinagwapo na nag-ano ka ng babae. O collecting hindi mo yan ikinagwapo. Ikinagagong mo lang yan. Akala mo kinagwapo mo yan. From Brazil. Hi, Hugo Viera from Brazil. Thank you for watching. Sophie Z. Reabel. Serial. Thank you. Where are you from, Sophie? Sa katulad ni Johnny Alabata. Kahit saang channel ka man napunta. Ayan. Hanapin mo yung match mo. Wag dito. Sophie, I love you. Why you love me? Thank you for loving me, Sophie. Where are you from, Sophie? Katulad ni Johnny Alabata. Kahit saan nagkakalat. Ayan, landi-landi ba? Mabadaanin ka ba sa landi-landi na yan? Akala mo ba? Ganun ako kaano. Wag dito, boy. Thank you. Welcome, Sophie. Ang daming niyo, boy. Ang daming yung like Johnny. Maraming katulad mo, Johnny. At wala akong pakialam sa katulad mo. Sa mga katulad yun. Wala kasi kayong magawa sa buhay. Walang magawa, miserable. Trip ba? Lakas ng trip. Hindi ako nag-entertain ng dito. Ugaling basura. Hindi dito yun. Doon ka sa mga katulad mo. Hanapin mo yung match mo, Johnny. Johnny bagay sa'yo. Username mo, Johnny, parang bata. Yes. Thank you for talking. No. Johnny, kakalat. My God, Johnny. Hindi ka na yan sa sinasabi mo, Johnny. Hindi ka na yan sa sarili mo. Wala kang self-respect, Johnny. Kaya paano ka magbibigay ng respeto sa iba kung sarili mo nga hindi mo kang respeto? Duh.
Ano, pag nagano si Dada, pag nagano si Dada, hoy! Pag nagano si Dada, pag sabi kay masabay ako kay makatulog.
Hindi na matita ng gali.
Ha?
Hindi na pa ng
Ay,
gali.
po, nagano na ba nangali? Si Dada, hindi mo lang nagsabi. Pakala si Dada. Dadang! Hello! Matiktok kita? Matiktok? Matiktok?
Thank you for watching. Thank you to those hit the like. You are very beautiful. You're great. Thank you, Sophie. Hindi ako makamove on kay Johnny. Ay naku, Johnny, hindi lang ikaw ang ganyan. Tapos naalala ko may namit akong katulad mo, Johnny. So siya kung sa bagay siya, yun siya, prospect, may tinatarget siyang babae. Bait-baitan sa umpisa. Tapos pag nakuha ka na yan, bulastugan na, grabe. Nang siya, collective woman, si Johnny. I like Johnny. I think Johnny is not hindi siya worth it na paglaanan ng oras. Isa siyang nothing. Si Johnny. May kikilala ako, ay, nangungulit ka talaga ng babae, tapos pinagyayaban niya sa mga tropa. Hindi niya alam, wala naman siyang kwenta. Alam mo yun? Ay, nako. Lakas mong babae, wala naman, wala naman siyang, kumbaga, wala naman siyang may pagmamalaki. Ang tanging may pagmamalaki lang niya is, kaya niya mong babae, at yun lang yun. Wala nang iba. Wala siyang achievement sa buhay. Ang may pagmamalaki niya lang niya is marami siyang babae. Paano mo nakuha yung babae? Yun yung tanong doon. Paano mo naging babae yan? Sa paanong paraan? So, sa iba-iba yung lalaki. Kaya, tayo mga sa mga babae dyan, mag-isip-isip, doy. Where do you love? I'm living in the Philippines. I'm from Philippines.
Dila! Kapag dito na step ito.
Thank you for it likes. Thank you for hit the likes. Rafael Santoda Cruz. Hi. Santoda Cruz. Hyundai. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40 years old. Man, salamin tayo. Dito tayo sa may salamin. Oh my God. 40 years old na daw. Years old. Goodbye. Okay, bye-bye. Maybe you're yan. Hi. Hi, Lan or Ian? Lan or Ian? Lan or Ian? Thank you for watching. Eat likes. Thank you, 5 people. Good afternoon. From which part of the Philippines? Bicol Province. From Bicol Province, Philippines. Thank you po. Thank you po to those who hit the likes. Salamat. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you sa nagla-like. Salamat. Taga saan ka? Where are you from? Ayan. Where from Ian? Thumbs up. Taga saan ka, Ian? Thank you for the thumbs up. I'm from Jordan. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you, Ian from Jordan. How old are you, Jordan? How old are you, Ian? From Jordan. Oh my gulay.
Isa lang sa mga bumigyan ng bula. Kapag ilugan ng mga metal candy, ay nakikita ko to. Kasi yan, di ba ang dami nilalagay ng metal candy? Ano ang mabili nito ang paglalaro sa Nasaan ang metal candy?
Oh my God. So, naguratat yarn.
Itaas, itaas, itaas. Ayan.
Salamat.
Madami pala, oh. Madaming metal candy. So ngayon, ilapit ang kamay at kamay sa bunganga ng soft drink. Ilapit, no? Ilapit. Sabay-sabay natin gagawin yan.
I'm 24 years old next Friday, February. Oh my God. I'm 41 years old. February, 2nd of February. Oh my God. We're same month we born. I'm February 2 also. I'm February 1. I'm February 2. I'm February 2, sorry. 1. Yes, 41. I'm 41. Now I'm 40, still 40. Next year I'm running 41. Getting old. I don't believe. I don't believe you. Why? That's the real my real age is 40 now. I'm not lying here. Oh my God. Oh, look, did you see the I have wrinkles now already? Look. Are you joking? No, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I'm telling you honestly. Yeah, I'm not joking. I'm 41 years old. Maybe on the camera I'm looking younger, but in real I look old. I look old in real. Maybe because I'm young on the cam, but in real I look old.
Senior Homestyle Cordy. Juicy sarap. Kaya every bite feels like home.
Thank you. Oh my God. I swear to God that I can't imagine that you are 40. Oh my God. Why? It's really. I'm a 41 years old. Thank you so much, guys, for looking me at a younger age. I really appreciate it. But my real age is 41 next year, February. That's my real age. If you told me that you are 20 something, then it makes sense. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ano kaya ang pag-ahambali mo sa kasunod at malamig na pagkain? Natutulog ito at pabalik-balik na pangingilo. Maaaring sinyalis ito na tuntanin.
Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you for hit the likes, 10 people. 9 people here. Thanks a lot.
Your damaged hair can too. New Dove Peptide Bond Repair
Thank you so much.
with Bioprotein Care plus Peptide Complex.
Gosh.
Reconstructs up to
Beautiful.
90%
Thank you,
hair
Rombrox.
For hair reborn
God
20
really
times
bless your life. Oh, thank you, Ian. Same to you.
New Dove Peptide Bond Repair.
Where are you from, Ian? Yeah, Jordan. Thank you, Ron Brox. Where are you from, Ron Brox? Ron Brox. 6547. USA. Wow. Oh my god, mini ano. Ah, Texas. Oh my god. Texas. Welcome here, Ron Brooks from Texas, USA. Thank you so much.
Kapag sauce, kasama na. Gawin ng sauce. Bigyan ng pasta at ibig.
Thanks a lot.
Ready? Just 3 minutes.
Tururut. You can move to USA and be my wife. How? How you can be my wife? You even don't know me. You don't know me. Alex Vasquez, hi. And I don't know you. Oh my god. If you don't know me, you maybe you will yet. If you know me, maybe you will said, "Oh, I can't afford you." Oh, oh my god, you're disappointed, man.
Spray with Skechers ribbons. I thought the crown was the main, but it was just the beginning. I made more, achieve more, make more. And my hair needs more to take you further. Great silkable keratin conditioner with 30 times more keratin serum. It turns up to 10 layers deep for 2 times straighter, smoother, silkier hair.
Do you have any relatives who work in Jordan? No.
Always ready for the best.
No relatives work in Jordan. I don't know. Many relatives I have, but I don't know news from them. But my close relative, I have I don't know work in Jordan. I wouldn't say I can't afford you. How old are you, Jordan? How old are you, Brown Brax? In the Philippines, very far from US. Very far. Too far. That's it. I'm getting it wrong. Thank you po.
With selected birthday 3-in-1 plus 1, 149 lang, full flavors na. 149 lang.
My child's baby. Masisira na ng pimples from harmful germs. I choose new Safeguard. Leave germ protection unlike other ones. It protects from 10 harmful germs. Helps fight pimples. Safeguard somebody.
Family ko po pala. Si Mom, Dad, Ate, Lola Ida, Kapatid, mga pinsang ko, at si Girl.
Botong nasandaan ba? Mag-esty. Botong nasandaan na ngayon Pasko. Ang birthday, Tuesday, tusok-tusok din.
Ron Brooks. Mohammed. Muhammad, I think you are from Turkey. I'm not from Turkey. Algeria. Because of the flag, am I right?
Magagawa natin creamy special ito. They have a special handaan with Lady's Choice. From Bini-Bini. Ang pang-timang ng Surf Sawa.
Algeria. At nawala na si Ron Brooks.
Sa Surf Sawa ng Converge.
Thank you sa likes. Yun kasi nag-likes. Thank you for 6 people.
Can't stop finger combing my hair with my new Palmolive Natural. Advanced dual action formula hydrates hair.
Combat Medic. Hi, Combat Medic.
Hair You can't stop finger combing.
4896. Hello.
Try the new Palmolive Naturals. I trust US. Punta ng natural na sangkay. High standard sa lagat. Safe ang pagkakahal. Kaya ito ang brand ko. UFC. World class quality.
Mag-joy for the X Power. Sa panay, X Stronger sa matinding sebo.
Super joy.
Isang mata, super lisa.
Ready makipag-datingan, hunters are exposed to 200 viruses.
It's 49 going to 50. It's 49 going to 50. Are your age is going to 50? Are you from the Philippines? Yeah, I'm from the Philippines. Where are you from, Combat Medic?
World Peace.
Tired of underarm dark marks? There's a serum for that.
Oh, it's a Dove Deo?
New Dove deodorant serum with 3% niacinamide and 10 times collagen
Bye.
for even-toned and radiant underarms. Dove. This serve. Pasta time!
Instant pasta ready in just 3 minutes. Kapag sauce, kasama na. Gawin ang sauce.
I'm from the most popular country that has wars. What is that? What country? What country that has wars? What country? I don't know.
Delicious instant pasta. Ready in just 3 minutes. Gusto ko ng long hair. Bakit naman hindi? Kasi wikang hair mo. Kaya yan. Let's grow it. Sunsilk Strong and Long with aloe vera, biotin, and castor oil for long hair that's 3 times stronger and thicker looking.
Can you guess? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's a country that has wars. What is that? Jerusalem, Israel. What is that? Israel. Iraq. Oh my God, the Iraq. Oh my God, the Iraq. Oh, it's very dangerous, no? Very dangerous country. Having
Sobrang sakit. Relax na.
oh my God. Thank you so likes. Thank you for 9 people here. Hello.
Sarap mag-road trip. Sobrang sakit.
Salamat.
Relax na. Relax deals with the cause of sobrang sakit. Also available.
Hello. Saludos desde Argentina. Hello, Marcelo Maidana. Hi, from Argentina. But thank God, no more wars. Yeah, thank God, no more wars now. Oh my God, thank you, no more wars there. That's good for need to peaceful living. No? Hello, amiga. Hi, Marcelo Maidana. Hello, amiga. Ano yung maingay? TV. Maingay yung TV sa labas. Maingay pa din dun sa labas. Ay, maingay sa TV sa loob. Maingay pa din sa labas. Thank you to all people. Thank you for hit the like. 12 people. Thank you for the like. Bibi man. Thank you so much. Katatapos silang maligo. No. Ayan naman tayo eh. Sisimula ng mga ganitong Ingat. Ikalma yung mga sarili kapag nakakaramdam ng init ng katawan. Huwag landiin yung hindi naman jowa. Huwag makikijowa sa may asawa. Alam mo nang may asawa ka, wag lalandi sa iba. Wag mag-entertain ng iba. Alam mo nang meron ka na eh. Ganon.
May offer sa'yo. Gusto mo na yan, kunin mo na.
Respeto.
May pera, sure.
Sa sarili.
Sure, baka di
Sa relasyon.
Okay? O, ito. Ito. Tape yan, mura lang yan. May sales.
Come on, mama. Thank you for the likes.
Sinabi mo, lima, lalagpasan mo yan. Kaya ganun, pinaway mo bakbak, babalik ka dito. Okay tayo.
Babalik ka muling araw at sandali. Kahit inis yan ang sigaw ng puso ko. Found love
Sa simulan, pero
for me. I'm falling just dive within. Found my way.
Kasi minsan hindi ko
Thank you for 6 people here. Oh my God. Thank you for watching. Anong masasabi niyo? Wala akong maano eh. Ang daming ano. You. Thank you, 7 people. Hi, Mom. Alican, hello. Alican, where are you from, Alican? How old are you, Alican? Hello. How old are you, Alican? From Australia. Okay. How old are you? Alican from Australia. I'm 55. Are you married? Are you married or having a happy family with kids, with wife? I'm from Philippines. 40 years old. Great. Yeah. Are you married, sir? Alican, maybe a man or a woman. Was now separated, have one boy. See me, I have one boy. Not married. I'm not married. Not married. Wait lang. Why separated? Why separated? Your wife is living in another man. Maybe it's just living in another woman. Another man. She with another man, maybe. I don't know. Thank you for people. May gulay. Una kang makita, akala kong sinta. Ay nagalit dahil masungit ka. Ngunit aking minamahal, buhat sa isang kaibigan, ginagabi karawas sa ating tagpuan. Minahal kita, hindi na dahil mayroon ka. Have you been working abroad? I'm not working abroad. But hoping soon. But I don't know if I'm going abroad. I don't know. I love you. My God. Isa pa to si ano? Isa pa to si Adrian. Makulit. Bayami Cars. Ginagabi karawas sa ating tagpuan. Mahal kita, oh no, not like that. Finally, my heart keeping fully. May galar yung kulit. Carlos Pineda. Hello, Carlos Pineda. Thank you. you from, Carlos? How many kids do you have, if you don't mind me asking? I have one boy. Only one. It's a boy. It's a boy. I have one kid. Oh my God. Kapag ako ay God bless him. Thank you. Ay nagmahal. Tanda akong magtiis. I feel like I saw you before, but I'm not sure where. Oh, really? You show me, you see me before? Where? Do you have a sister who was in Hong Kong? No? No. My sister worked in Taiwan, not Hong Kong. Maybe it's look like me, but it's look like mini likes. Like maybe she's a beautiful, but not me. I'm not beautiful in real, but I think that person is beautiful. I think. Yeah, she's beautiful, just like just not me. Me, I think she's beautiful than me. Oh my God, my sister, she's so beautiful. So much. Higgs, please like and subscribe. Thank you, Higgs. Hello, Antonio Vasquez. Hi. So, I fell sleepy. Oh my God. Don't underestimate your beauty. Because I know myself. That's why. What it means. What it means, it's a China's language. I don't understand. Maybe you can translate it in English. Speak English. I will understand. If it's speaking, try to speak. Me, I'm not fluent in English, but I'm trying to learn. Malamig. Cold. Malamig. Malamig. Sa malamig. What? What? I'm 25. I am 250, but Alice is saying that. No, you don't know. I'm 250%. Alice saying that. Bountiful. Thank you. Thank you from the Chinese. Hi, Edward Shihata. Beautiful girl. Thank you guys. Thank you for the good compliments. Thank you so much. See, even the guy from China saying that that's saying you're beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I love you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Love you. Why you say that? Why you say you love me? You just know me here just now. Why you say that? I can't. What? I can't see it your name. So we argue that you are beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you guys for appreciating my beauty. I feel beautiful now. Thank you. Just now. My God. Next thing, what we're gonna do about it? Next thing. Oh my God. I fell sleepy. Much respect for you. Thank you, Combat Medic. What is your work, Combat Medic? Sorry, maybe it's so personal, but I just want to know. I don't understand what you're saying, the Chinese from Chinese. Maybe you will see a say. Maybe you will say it in English. Translate in English. Yeah, thank you. Oh my god, I fell asleep now. I'm going to the hospital soon. Looking more for my father. Oh my god, I fell asleep. Thank you. Next time I will my sister calling me. Maybe about my father. Thank you guys. My sister calling me about my father. I'm a Vedic policy man when war exists. Thank you so much. My sister calling me. I need to end the live. Thank you so much. Bye bye.